When the day starts to feel a bit intense, you need a way to hit the pause button instantly. Today, we're crafting the Calm and Collected Roll-On, a pocket-sized moment of sanctuary designed for maximum serenity. This blend is a masterclass in emotional grounding. Whether you're grabbing oils from your kitchen or using our curated collection in your July recipe box, we're aiming for a precise 3% dilution that's safe for your skin but potent for your senses. You'll need 3 drops of clary sage, 2 drops of Peru balsam, and 1 drop of anise star. If you're just starting out, buying full bottles of all 3 can be a big investment. The July box is the best way to get these high-end oils so you can master the blend and save money. First, add your oils and give them a quick swirl to marry the scents. Then fill the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. I love this carrier because it's odorless and absorbs quickly, so you're not left with a greasy residue on your sleeves. We use clary sage here because it's rich in linoleic acetate, which helps regulate the nervous system. The Peru balsam acts as a fixative to make sure the scent lasts, while that single drop of anise star adds an uplifting brightness that keeps the blend from feeling too heavy. Apply this to your wrists and neck before journaling, meditating, or even just a stressful meeting. It delivers a targeted dose of botanical calm exactly when you need it. It's simple, it's effective, and it's uniquely yours. I can't wait to hear about how this blend helps you stay centered. Tag us with #IMadeThis and from Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card to Simply Earth. I'll see you in the next video.